Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you the best VPN to use TikTok in India. If you're in India and want to use TikTok even after it was banned, you're not alone. I'll show you how to access TikTok safely and securely by using a VPN. We'll focus on using NordVPN to bypass the restrictions and get TikTok working on your device. The first step is to understand why you need a VPN. TikTok is banned in India, meaning the app is no longer accessible through regular internet connections. A VPN, or virtual private network, allows you to connect to the internet through a server in another country, hiding your location and bypassing restrictions. With NordVPN, you can connect to servers in countries where TikTok is available and start using the app again. To get started, visit the NordVPN website. You'll find a link in the description that takes you directly to their discounted plans. Choose the plan that works best for you and sign up for an account. Once you've subscribed, download the NordVPN app on your device. It's available for both Android and iOS. After the app is installed, open it and log in with your NordVPN account details. You'll see a map interface showing server locations around the world. To use TikTok, you'll need to connect to a server in a country where TikTok is not banned. The United States is a popular choice, but you can also select countries like Singapore or the United Kingdom. Tap on the country you want to connect to, and NordVPN will establish a secure connection. Once you're connected, your internet traffic will appear as if it's coming from that country, bypassing the ban on TikTok in India. Now that you're connected, go to your App Store. If TikTok doesn't appear in the search results, you may need to change your App Store region. For iPhone users, go to your Apple ID settings, choose the Country Region option, and set it to the country you connected to on NordVPN. For Android users, open Google Play settings, go to Account, and switch your region to match your VPN server location. After changing your region, search for TikTok in the App Store and download it. If you already have TikTok installed but can't access it, connecting to a VPN server will allow you to open the app and use it as normal. Once TikTok is installed, you're ready to use it. Remember to keep NordVPN running whenever you want to access TikTok. This ensures your connection remains secure and unrestricted. If you're worried about the cost of NordVPN, click the link in the description to try NordVPN for a huge discount so you can finally start using TikTok in India. There is no risk because Nord offers a money-back guarantee, so you can get a full refund if you don't like their service for any reason.